Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be talking about how to fix Roblox won't install on Windows PC. And so let's just assume that you are trying to open Roblox. So here, as you can see, I have Roblox going on, and once I double click on that, it will eventually load up. So yeah, that should be happening if you are running a normal or regular scenario. But let's just assume that it is not opening on your PC. You double click on the game and it just keeps on loading and doesn't shows up anything or doesn't load any screen. So there could be a wide range of options that why this could be happening. First of all, what you need to do is check that Roblox is working on another device properly. So if you head over to Roblox website and click Roblox on your browser, and from there select the very first link. Once you do that, you can see we are now directed towards their landing page or the game itself. And make sure you log into your account and check that if you are able to join any game or these servers. So let's just try joining Frontlines that is showing up in here, and yeah, click on play. And once you do, you can see it is loading. So we are going to be waiting. So you can see, yeah, you're moments away from getting into experience. Now for this, obviously we need to install, it is saying that we need to install Roblox. You can try clicking on this. So I'm going to be simply clicking on open since it is already installed, and check if your account is not banned. So sometimes what could be possibly happening is that your account might get banned, and for that particular reason it is not opening up. So here, as you can see, it is working and it has opened the server in front of me. So just wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up, and yeah, so everything looks pretty cool. So we are now deployed and we are able to play the game itself. Now let's just assume that this is not the scenario for you. So the first thing is that you check if your server or your game is or your account is not banned, right? So we need to make sure that, and once you do that, we need to check that. Just wait for, let me close the game. Okay, check for your internet service provider or the ISP. So here, as you can see, I'm running the speed test and the ping is 4 ms, and the downloading speed is looking good as well. And let's just see if the uploading speed is doing well as well. So just wait for a couple of seconds until it analyzes. So yeah, this looks great as well. So make sure that your ISP is working fine, and if it is, then you need to head over to your search bar and search for Windows Update. Head over to that, and there you need to make sure that it is saying that you are up to date, and click on check for updates. Sometimes there could be some driver issues and not the game itself, because most of the time people are trying to just fix the game, maybe just trying different admin properties from it and changing this and that, but the issue could be with the drivers and the Windows previous versions. So make sure that you are up to dated, and if that looks good, it should possibly it should potentially fix your issue. So I hope that fixes your issues, and let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with the friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.